Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel QA Junction. In this video, you are going to learn three methods of array that will really helpful in writing down the logics in a simpler way. Those methods are reduce, filter and map. Let me give you an example. So this is the code for adding all the values in the array. So it will print the sum of all the numbers of array. So for this, we are writing for loop initializing the value 0 and we are iterating till the array length and we are incrementing and then we are adding this with the sum and printing it. So logic is in 4 lines. When it comes to reduce, we can complete the logic in 2 lines. Let's write that. We need to give array name dot reduce. This reduce method requires two arguments in it. One is accumulator and the another one is the current value of an array. So you can give any name. I am giving total. Open the function. Then you need to sum up accumulator plus total and initialize the value 0. You can also see this reduce method is suggesting us this initial value and also the current value and the one which is accumulator. So let me explain you what accumulator is. Accumulator is single value from where it is getting started. So I am storing that in a variable accumulator equal to 0. So it starts with 0 and this total is current value of the array and then it will sum with 0 plus the current value every time because it iterates and initialization is 0. Let me store this. Let give any name. I am giving sum of array. Let's print this in output. Save it. In terminal, hit the command node space your JS file name. You can see the output is 55. It's already added all the numbers in the array and it gave us the sum of the array. You can compare using for loop. We need to write these many lines, but when we are using reduce method, we can wrap the code or logic in just 2 lines. This is the advantage of reduce method. Coming to next method, which is filter. With this filter method, we can filter the values of array. Let's say I want to only print the even numbers from this array. This array has even and odd numbers, but I only want to print the even numbers from this array. I can use filter method, write the array name dot filter. Inside the braces, give one argument. Let's say I am giving a and give the function and then we need to give the condition. What would be the condition? So we want only even numbers. Then I want to divide the array with 2. That should be equal to 0. We can store it even numbers. Let me print this console.log even numbers. Let's execute. You can see it has printed the array with the even numbers and we just did it with 2 lines of logic by using filter method. This is the importance of reduce and filter method. Last but not least, map method. So we can map the array values with different values. Let's say I want to multiply the even numbers array with 3. So for this I can use math method. Give the array name dot map, open the braces, and same thing, you need to give one argument, which I will be taking b. Give the function and then b multiply to 3. That's it. Store this and let's print this in array. Console.log multiplies. Let's execute our test case. You can see the first output is the output of reduce method, which we use for doing sum of the array. Second output is the even numbers, which we did by using filter method. Third output is of map method. Every number in the array is multiplied by 3. So this is the output of map method. This is pretty much about 3 important methods of array. These methods will help in reducing our code, and we can wrap up our logics in 2 or 3 lines. The advantage of these methods, you can also chain these methods. Let's say we want even numbers that should be multiplied by 3 and then should be added. Let me write the array name dot filter, which we already did. Let me use this dot then map, which we did here, and then dot reduce, which we did here. So we have combined all the methods in one single line. Let me store it in the variable combined, save it and print console.log combined. Hit the command and check the output. 90, which you are seeing in output, is the output of these all methods which we chain together. We can also combine them in one single line. Thank you.